today we will solve this question from Jee Adv 2024 paper 1. So this is a good problem from quadratic equations and complex numbers, and you must attempt this question one time before watching the solution. So let's start solving this question. So let's analyze this question step by step according to the order of statements. Okay. So in the first statement, what is given that fx equal to x to the power 4 plus ax cube plus 2x square plus c, it is a polynomial with real coefficients. That means a, b, c are real, such that f of 1 equal to -9. So what we can get? Fx equal to x to the power 4 plus ax cube plus bx squared plus c. So from here we can get f of 1, which is equal to 1 plus a plus b plus c. So that is equal to -9. So this will be equal to -9. So from here we can get a plus b plus c will equal to -10. Okay. So we got this equation. Now let's move to the second statement. So what is given in the second statement? Suppose that I root 3 is a root of the equation 4x cubed plus 3ax squared plus 2bx equal to 0. So let's write this equation. This is 4x cubed plus 3ax squared plus 2bx equal to 0. So if we take x common in the bracket, here it will be 4x squared plus 3ax plus 2b equal to 0. So from this part, we will get x equal to 0 as a solution, and I root 3 is a root of that equation. So I root 3 can be got from this part, okay, this quadratic part. So if we consider this quadratic part as a separate quadratic equation, then that will be 4x squared plus 3ax plus 2b equal to 0. Now, one root of it is I root 3. Okay. Now remember that if any quadratic equation having real coefficients has one complex root, then the another one will be the conjugate of the previous one. So according to that, the another one will be minus I root 3. So you got the two roots of the equation. Now it is because the coefficients are real, because a and b are real. Okay. So the coefficients 3 and 2b are also real. Okay. So now we need to find the value of a and b. So to do that, first we will use the sum of roots. Then this will be I root 3 minus I root 3 equal to minus b by a. For this case, this is minus 3a by 4, or 0 equal to minus 3a by 4, or we can get a equal to 0. Okay. So we got the value of a. Now let's find the value of b. So for that, we will use the product of roots formula. So that is I root 3 into minus I root 3, it is equal to c by a. For this case, this is 2b by 4 or b by 2. So this is I squared into minus 3 equal to b by 2. Now I squared is equal to -1, and -1 into -3 is equal to 3. So 3 is equal to b by 2, or we can get b is equal to 6. So we got the value of b also. Now we will find the value of c. So how we will do that? We will use this equation. So let's go to the next page. So see that a equal to 0, b equal to 6. We will put it here. So what we got? A plus b plus c is equal to -10. So a is equal to 0. Okay. And b is equal to 6. Put it here. 0 plus 6 plus c equal to -10. Or we can get c equal to -16. So you got the value of c also. Okay. Now let's move to the first statement again. Let's write this polynomial again. So this is fx equal to x to the power 4 plus ax cube plus bx squared plus c. Okay. So we will put the values of a, b and c. So this will be x to the power 4 plus, now a is equal to 0. So 0 into x cube is 0. So there will be no terms of x cube here. Okay. Plus bx squared. B is equal to 6. So this will be 6x squared. Now the value of c is minus 16, so there will be minus 16. Okay. Now let's move to the third statement. If alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3, alpha 4 are the roots of the equation fx equal to 0. So let's solve fx equal to 0. So if we do fx equal to 0, then it will be x to the power 4 plus 6x squared minus 16 equal to 0. So from here we can get x to the power 4 plus 8x squared minus 2x squared minus 16 equal to 0, or x squared into x squared plus 8 minus 2 into x squared plus 8 equal to 0. Okay, so we will get x squared plus 8 into x squared minus 2 equal to 0. So from this part, we will get x squared equal to minus 8, or x equal to plus minus root minus 8. Now, root minus 8 is 2 root 2 into iota. So this will be plus minus 2 root 2 into iota. And from this part, we will get x squared equal to 2. So x equal to will be plus minus root 2. So now we got the 4 values of x. Okay, and it is denoted as alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3, and alpha 4. Okay, so let us hold alpha 1 equal to 2 root 2 iota, alpha 2 equal to minus 2 root 2 iota, alpha 3 equal to root 2, and alpha 4 equal to minus 2. So what we need to do, we need to find the value of this. Okay, so let us write it here. It is mod alpha 1 squared plus mod alpha 2 squared plus mod alpha 3 squared plus mod alpha 4 squared. So you should know that if there is a complex number like z equal to a plus bi, then mod z will be equal to root over a square plus b square. So according to that, mod of alpha 1 will be equal to root over 0 square plus 2 root 2 square. Okay, so that will be equal to root 8. Same like that, mod alpha 2 will be equal to root over 0 square plus minus 2 root 2 square. Okay, so this will be equal to root 8. So alpha 3 is equal to root 2. So mod of alpha 3 will be equal to root 2. And alpha 4 equal to minus root 2. So mod of alpha 4 equal to will be root 2. Okay. So if we put the values here, this will be root 8 squared plus root 8 squared plus root 2 squared plus root 2 squared. So this is 8 plus 8 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 20. So that is our answer. So the answer will be 20. So this was the question, and this is a good question, and we should do recent questions to strengthen our concepts. So if you like this video, make sure to like, comment, and share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos and concepts. Thank you for watching the video.